My name is Ojo Isaac. I am the manager of Presta Royal Concept. Presta Royal Concept is an accounting software company located in Ikeja, Lagos. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, please click on the subscription button so that you will continue to receive professional and educative videos from us. Welcome to Sage 50 Accounting Training. In this video, we are going to introduce you to Sage 50 Accounting. It's all about what you need to know when you want to start using Sage 50 Accounting. Number one, the name of the company, which is at the topmost in the bar. Look at the topmost bar, you see the name of the company. The name of this company is called Redemption Trust Fund. And the software that produces this name is called Sage 50 Accounting US Edition 2020 version. After that, we'll look at the respective bars. Now, the first one here is called the file menu, the edit menu, the list menu, maintain menu, tax menu, analysis menu, option menu, reports and forms menu, services menu, Windows menu, help menu, and live chat. Apart from the menus that helps you to post and set up different ledgers, there are other bar or other tabs that helps you to post, like the status bar, which shows the summary of what is happening in your organization. Customer and sales tab, which show all information about the customer of your organization. Vendors and purchases tab, which shows all the information about your vendors and purchases. We also have the inventory and services, which give you information about all the inventory and services you have in your organization. Also, employee and payroll, which helps you to manage your employee. Then banking tab, which also gives you a help on how to manage your banking. Then payment center, in case you are connected to internet. Services, the system. The whole of these are called the navigation bar. They are called the navigation bar. It was introduced lately around 2007. In the earlier Sage 50, it was not there. So let us begin to look at the menus one by one. Introduction to the menus, Sage 50 menus. Number one, file menu. The file menu is used to open company, to open previous company, to also open a new company, that is to create a new company. Also close a company. If you are done with what you are doing in a particular company, you can click on close company. Then backup. You can use the file menu to do your backup. You can backup in the system, you can backup in the cloud, and you can backup into external hard drive, depending on what you want to do, and restore backup. It can also help you to do automatic backup, and you can also link you to cloud backup settings, import and export. These are lots and lots of things that you can do. So I jumped to maintain menu because maintain menu is the next important menu in the menu listed above. The customers menu. This is where you set up customers. So therefore, the maintain menu is called the setup menu, This is where you set up all ledgers. The various ledgers you want to use in C50 for posting have to be set up first here before you say you want to start posting. Otherwise, you won't be able to post any transaction. Then you can also set up vendors ledgers here, employees ledgers, payroll, charge of account, budget, inventories and services ledger, items, item and prices. You can set them up here. Inventories, you can set them up here. Jobs, you can set them up here. Then fixed assets, company information, memorized transactions, default information, and sales tax. Users, you can set them up here. So after that, we move to the next bar. Okay, the next menu we want to talk about is the tax bar, the tax menu. The tax menu is where you post, otherwise known as the posting menu. This is where you post your quotation, you post your sales orders, you post your proposals, you post your invoices, you post your receipt, or you receive money here. This is where you post your credit memo. This is where you also post your purchases / receive inventory. Bills, you enter bills. You also receive bill here. You make payments. You write check. Then you write your credit memo. This is where you also do your payroll. That is payroll settings. Payroll also payroll entry and general entry. General journal entry. This is where you post all these, and inventory adjustment, assemblies, all of them are done here. The next important menu we have to look at is the report and forms. After we have posted all the transactions that you want to post, this is where you view the outcome of what you have posted, so that you'll be able to use it for management decision taking. Then from the list here, you will see account receivable report, accounts payable report, payroll report. Then you look at general ledger report, financial statement report, inventory report, jobs, accounts reconciliation, company preferences and company setup, then intelligent reporting, accounting, internal account review. Then you have other reports like business intelligence and setup. This is where we set up. For instance, you want to look at or view a particular report, say from financial statements. You click on financial statements, it will display. As it displays, you'll be able to look at the report that you want to open. For instance, you want to open balance sheet, otherwise known as statement of financial position for a particular year. You can double click on it and it will display. When it displays, you will to do some adjustment and click on OK from the filters. You can filter it. You can see this is redemption trust fund balance sheet. That is, you can also replace that one. You can do design here. You can also change whatever you want to change here to become for a statement of financial position as at June 30th, 2020. So this is the balance sheet. You can see the balance sheet or statement of financial position. You have the current asset or the current asset breakdown. You have the total asset. This is the total asset here. The total current asset. You have the property and equipment PPE all listed, and also the accumulated depreciation. From the accumulated depreciation, you look at you'll be able to get the total assets. After the total assets, then you see the current liabilities. Current liabilities are listed there. All the current liabilities are listed, including the pension, including the PAYE, including VAT, and the long-term liabilities. All of them is the retained earnings, then all added up to also form the total liabilities and capital. If you look at the capital, the total liability and capital, and also the total asset, the amount is the same, which is 24 million, and it also balanced with this very total assets. So that is why this software C50 is very good for posting of transaction and extracting reports. If you look at this very particular report, you can close it here, you can save it in another name, you can print from here, You can also do some settings here, then set up. Then again, you can email it directly from here down to the person you want to email it to. Say your boss is in America, you want to email it to him, you'll be able to click on email and send it to him. Then you want to work on it, you want to do some adjustment in it by sending it to Excel. You can export it to Excel from here. Also, you can do a PDF, you can convert it to a PDF format. PDF format will be able to read your reports very well. Then when you do that, you will be able to also send it to other users of the report. Then after that, you want to preview. One can preview. You can also design. You can design this very particular report and we change to a different one and different format. So this is how